Today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter number 9 of Standard 7 SS, and today is the first lecture of this chapter number 9. The name of the chapter is Administration of the State. Administration of the State. Today I am going to explain about Council of Ministers, Chief Minister, Legislative Assembly and Governor. Okay, my dear student, in the chapter number 3, we learn about governor. We learn about governor. Okay, we learn about governor. Governor is appointed. Governor is appointed by the president. By the president with the discussion with the prime minister. Got it? That we have learned in chapter number 3. In this chapter we are going to learn about chief minister also. Okay, in each and every state. Okay, in each and every state, I am not saying about the union territories, I am saying about states. In each and every state you will find chief minister. Okay, chief minister. Now, here I would like to say, who is the present Chief Minister of Gujarat? Who is the present Chief Minister of Gujarat? The answer comes Mr. Vijay Bhai Rupani. Okay, Mr. Vijay Bhai Rupani is the Chief Minister of Gujarat. Who is the Home Minister of Gujarat? Home Minister. The answer comes. The answer comes Mr. Nitin Bhai Patel. Okay, Mr. Nitin Bhai Patel is the Home Minister. Home Minister. I am writing here. Is the Home Minister of Gujarat. Okay. Now the question comes: when did Mr. Vijay Bhai Rupani became the Chief Minister and Mr. Nitin Bhai Patel became Home Minister, and how? And how? My dear student, when elections are held, when the general elections are held, okay, general elections are held in the state for the members of the legislative assembly. For the members of legislative assembly, at that time, after that election, a chief minister is appointed. Got it? He is elected. Now take the example. General elections are held after 5 years. After 5 years. Got it? In the state Gujarat, there was election for the members of legislative assembly was in the year 2017. In the year 2017. Okay, and at that time elections were held for on 182 seats, for the 182 seats. Okay, how many members are there in legislative assembly of Gujarat? 182 members are there. How many members are there? 182 members are there in the legislative assembly of Gujarat. Okay. Now here, got it? So how many members are there? My dear student, when I say about this word 182, okay, the height of the Statue of Unity, the height of the Statue of Unity is also 182 meters. So we can say, okay, it's not because of that only, okay, we can say the height of the Statue of Unity and the number of the Legislative Assembly of Gujarat are the same, 182. It's a coincidence, not purposely, it's coincidence. Got it? Third thing, here the when in the year 2017 elections were held for the post of 182 seats, okay, and my dear student, the person who is elected, okay, he is known as MLA. What is the full form? Member of Legislative Assembly. Got it? So full form of MLA is Member of Legislative Assembly. MLA. Got it? Now, my dear student, when these elections are held, one person is elected and they sit in Legislative Assembly, and the Legislative Assembly of Gujarat is situated in Gandhinagar. Where it is? It is in Gandhinagar. Got it? Gandhinagar. Got it? So, in this chapter, we are going to learn about Chief Minister, Governor, Council of Minister, and after that, in second part, we are going to learn about central government. Okay? That I am going to explain in the next time. But in this today, we are going to learn about this much only. Got it? First, number one, governor is appointed by the president, that we have already learned in the third chapter. Okay. Now, when the elections are held of the member of Legislative Assembly, the party which gets majority, means more than half seats from that party, the governor invites that party to frame the government. So here Mr. Vijay Bhai Rupani became the chief minister. Why? Because in the year 2017, Bharatiya Janata Party BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party, they got more than half seats. Okay, means more than 92 seats they got. So at that time, governor appointed BJP party to frame the government in Gujarat state, and the elected person, they choose Mr. Vijay Bhai Rupani as their leader. That is why Mr. Vijay Bhai Rupani became the chief minister. And my dear student, one person cannot administer whole state. That's why state is divided into different field sections. Okay. Now take the example in your family. You know, Papa does the work of outside, Mummy she does the work of kitchen, Bhai brother he does the work of some other activities. Okay, and a sister that help Mummy. So here work is divided in your family, work is divided by your family members. Similarly, in a state, the work is divided in different fields. Okay, now that is why in order to see the work of whole state, Mr. Nitin Bhai Patel is appointed as a home minister of Gujarat. Okay, after that many fields are there. Okay, transportation, then construction, like this different fields are there, and for each different field a person is appointed by the chief minister, and that is called council of minister. That is called council of minister. Council of. Now, what is the work of council minister? They look after their field, and whatever things are there, they report. They report the chief minister, and sometimes they also do some work for their field. Got it? So here, once again, I repeat, I revise: governor, general election. After how many years we have general elections? Yeah, 5 years. Okay. Last year the elections were held in the year 2017. Which party got majority? Bharatiya Janata Party. Now, who is the present chief minister? Present chief minister of Gujarat, Mr. Vijay Bhai Rupani. Okay. So it is fixed. The party which gets majority in the election, from that party a person is chosen as a chief minister. So in each and every state you will find chief minister. Okay, not in union territories. Okay, that comes in second part, that time I will explain. Got it? So in how many seats are there in Gujarat assembly? 182 seats are there in legislative assembly of Gujarat. Okay. Okay, so third thing, what is the full form of MLA? The full form of MLA is Member of Legislative Assembly. Where is the Legislative Assembly? Vidhan Sabha. In Gujarati we say Vidhan Sabha of Gujarat situated. So Vidhan Sabha of Gujarat, Legislative Assembly of Gujarat is situated in Gandhinagar. Okay, got it? So here I have explained this much. Next time I will explain more. Thank you.